Okay, so my reasoning of tearing this apart was because I really wanted to use this for my Hobonichi, like, as a cover. So like I could totally put a string in there, and yeah, see-through, it fits. So I was thinking of like putting some strings in that. I don't know how it would look since the holes are kind of big, but I was thinking of somehow putting like a pouch in the back here, like attaching a pouch or something. Okay, so I got this clear A5 ring binder off of Amazon. I got it like last year, I believe. I don't even remember, to be honest with you. I don't know if I'll be able to even reach this. Nick. Okay. Let's see. Wait to put that. And the string is like not too tight, so I mean, it looks kind of crazy, but it works. I do want to put like a pocket back here, so like maybe I could like tuck it in instead, but I don't know. So I got some of these stickers, these pocket stickers, and I was thinking maybe I can put like one right there. Space them out or something. Those can be like a pocket. I might do that. Ooh, that sticks to that really well. So we'll see if I'll be able to even get these off. Alright. Okay, so here's how it looks. I really love these two images here, and then I have a couple pictures on the inside for right now. I might change this one out and add something here, I don't know. But yeah, Hobonichi is in, it's not pulling too hard on that either. And then yeah, and then I have this back here for like extra like storage. It does look kind of janky back here, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I do have A5 Traveler's notebook inserts that I could maybe use, but then at the same time I don't want to add anything else. See, I might not even add this. Just keep that out for right now. But yeah, right now I'm gonna just leave it on the string, but I think eventually I want to try to make a pocket so I can like you know, slide it in instead. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna tip this in as well. Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to like record this process just in case, you know, anyone was curious. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure out this setup. Here, I'm gonna... So yeah, we'll see how this works out. I think this is gonna work out until I get a cover eventually, but I'm just not able to get a cover right now. And I thought I had more covers in A5, but I don't. And so, like I said, trying to use what I have at home. I was in that one brown cover, but I don't know, it just didn't stay closed, and it didn't really like, I mean, it laid flat and everything, but I don't know. I like that this is clear and I can see the notebook and it's still protected without an actual cover on the journal itself. But like I said, I do want to eventually put a pocket here so I can have it tucked instead of on a string. But yeah, and then these, I have that, so there's, you know, I can change out the pictures and stickers and stuff while still keeping this bare, because I don't know, I just don't want to stick anything out. I don't want to stick anything on the cover because, you know, I don't know, I already have so much deco on the inside, and I just want to leave this bare for right now. So yeah, this, I have been really loving my Hobonichi. It has been really fun. Been in my dailies more so than my weeklies. So this is bare, which is okay. So this week I journaled here in this week, but in the dailies I didn't really journal for the dailies, but I have it all right here, so it's okay. Well, I'm gonna end this video because my boyfriend's mowing the yard, so yeah, and you're gonna be able to hear it. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.